Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 5th, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the markets today, first let's look at the economic calendar today. A bunch of numbers coming out today, starting with the Aussie USD. That was earlier this morning. That was a cash rate number. We'll look at the Aussie USD a little bit later. And then at 10:30 a.m. South African time, GBP number coming out. It's a service PMI number. Then later in the day at 2:30 p.m., Canadian dollar trade balance number. And then at 4 p.m., ISM non-manufacturing PMI number. That's a U.S. dollar number that's coming out. So are there big news coming out? Not necessarily, but there is news coming out in the markets. So let's look at the markets. Let's see what's happened. EURUSD really quiet yesterday, trading in a very tight zone. As you can see, we'll look at a 30-minute chart. As you can see here, we've been in a very tight zone, just about 12 to 20 pips. That's not much of a trading range. And it's been tight. So it's been respecting its resistance level at 114. As you can see, we've tried it multiple times. Doesn't look like it wants to take it above so far. Okay, so we may retrace a little bit, maybe to the lower 113-ish level, 113.40-ish level, but nothing really to write home about. Okay, so it's been a little bit more quiet. What has been happening is the GBP Japanese yen. We're going to look at a 30-minute chart. As you can see, we've sold off quite sharply over the past few days with the GBP Japanese yen. GBP obviously being very weak versus some of the other currencies, just because of what's going on with Great Britain, with the Brexit, and them breaking away from the EU and the uncertainty of it and all. So that's where we're trading right now. We're trading at 157. As you can see, this is a weekly chart, really on our dead lows, and we haven't, for it to go further down, this is really a colossal move. So this is support. Okay, let's see if it does breach it. If it breaches below, let's highlight it. If we breach it below 155-ish level, then we could see it really, coming into 139, 140-ish level. So multi-year support right here. So I'd take a look at this very much this week and see how it unfolds. Looking at the GBPUSD, you see we've sold off, but we haven't sold off below our lows. So, the GBP versus Japanese yen, much weaker in the grander scheme of things. Looking at the Dow Jones, very small day yesterday. We had a little bit of a sell-off, and that sell-off is a little bit continuing right here. And this would be to expected. Okay, we hit this resistance level of 17,669, and we're retracing a little bit. So the Dow Jones retracing. Looking at oil settling at $35.60 a barrel, and should be hitting close to our support level here at 35-ish level. So I would expect a little bit of a bounce here, maybe to bounce to 40 to 37-ish level, 37.91 obviously first. But as you can see, it's settling down with its sell-off. So I'm not sure how much further we have to go on the downside. Looking at gold here, gold actually bounced 11 points yesterday, from 12.15 to 12.26. So a nice healthy bounce for gold. I'd still like to see it hit 1190-ish level to buy it on long term, but let's see if we get that opportunity on the downside. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.